Did you know salads can be beneficial in winters too? As the chill of winter sets in, we often find ourselves reaching for comfort food, overlooking the humble salad. Yet this powerhouse of nutrition can be a secret weapon against winter woes. There's a common misconception that salads are merely a summer staple, but winter brings its own bounty of fruits and vegetables that make for a hearty, nutritious salad. So let's debunk this myth and explore the benefits of having salads in winters. We have Shikha Gupta, a renowned dietitian and nutritionist, to explain why salads are a great choice in winter. Shikha emphasizes that the chilly months shouldn't put a damper on our salad consumption. Quite the contrary, she encourages us to embrace the fresh produce available in this season for our salads. She mentions winter offers a bounty of fruits and vegetables that not only add a burst of flavors to your salads, but also load them up with necessary nutrients. She highlights the importance of vitamin C-rich ingredients in winter salads as they bolster our immunity against seasonal ailments. Shikha adds, incorporating fiber-rich ingredients into your salads will not only keep you satiated for a longer period, but also aid digestion. She concludes with a crucial point about hydration. Despite the cold, hydration remains essential. Many salad components offer hydration, making these dishes a two-in-one solution for nutrition and hydration, says Shikha. As Shikha Gupta puts it, salads offer a variety of health benefits, and in winter they can provide much-needed nutrients and energy during the colder months. Now let's delve into the benefits of consuming salads during the winter season. First off, we have the immunity boost. As winter is a season when we're more susceptible to catching colds and the flu, salads filled with vitamin C-rich foods like citrus fruits, bell peppers and broccoli can give your immune system that extra push it needs to stave off illnesses. Remember, vitamin C is crucial for a robust immune system, so getting your fill during the winter months can help ward off those pesky infections. Next up, we have the high fiber content. Salads brimming with fiber-rich ingredients like lentils, chickpeas and quinoa not only keep you satisfied for longer, but they also help regulate your blood sugar, manage your weight and promote gut health. All these benefits are vital for optimal digestion and nutrient absorption. On the subject of weight management, salads, being high in fiber and low in calories, are the perfect choice for those looking to shed a few pounds. With the lure of comfort foods like pasta and stews in winter, salads can help balance out our diet and prevent overeating. Incorporating leafy greens like spinach and kale to your salad can provide a good dose of fiber and keep you satiated for an extended period. Winter for many is a time of increased stress levels due to holiday preparations and colder weather. Salads packed with magnesium-rich foods like spinach, avocado and nuts can help bring those stress levels down by promoting relaxation. And let's not forget hydration. Even though we tend to drink less water in winter due to the lower temperatures, staying hydrated is still crucial. Winter salads can contribute a significant portion of your daily water intake through ingredients such as cucumber, tomato and lettuce. Lastly, winter is a time when many people indulge in heavier, richer foods that can sometimes cause havoc on the digestive system. Adding plenty of fiber-rich vegetables to your salad can help keep your digestion regular and prevent bloating and discomfort. So, as you see, salads are an excellent choice in winter, providing essential nutrients, promoting weight loss, reducing stress, keeping you hydrated, and improving digestion. Incorporating salads into your winter diet is not only healthy, but also tasty. As the temperature dips, it's easy to reach for warm, comforting foods. However, let's not forget the colorful array of winter fruits and vegetables that are ripe for the picking and perfect for tossing in a salad. From crisp apples and juicy pears to earthy beets and hearty kale, the winter season offers a bounty of produce that can add flavor, texture, and nutrients to your salads. These seasonal ingredients not only bring a fresh twist to your meals, but also pack a powerful nutritional punch, helping you stay healthy during the chilly months. Think about the vibrant citrus fruits that are in abundance during the winter. Oranges, grapefruits, lemons, they all add a refreshing tang to your salads while providing a hefty dose of vitamin C to boost your immunity. And let's not forget about the root vegetables. Carrots, beets and radishes add a sweet earthy flavor and a satisfying crunch to your winter salads. They're also loaded with fiber, which aids digestion and helps you feel full, so why not give it a go? Start experimenting with different combinations of winter fruits and vegetables in your salads. You'll be surprised at how such a simple change can make a big difference in your overall health and well-being. So why wait? Start making your winter salads today and enjoy the plethora of benefits they offer.